you are struggling financially, that is another factor that puts you at risk for these math difficulties. So just look at this though. You can have literally all four of these, and if you do, you are at significant risk. So if you are a person from the United States with a verbal learning disability, are of African descent, and are also born, wow, the chances of you being able to become proficient in math are very, very slim, unless you have the tools we're giving you here today. And that's exactly why we're doing this. So we can eradicate these issues. This is not organic. It's not coming from something that is wrong with these people. Nothing wrong with people in the United States. Nothing wrong with people with verbal disabilities or of African descent or from economically disadvantaged areas. But for whatever reason, the instruction in those areas do not tend to be up to par. We know this is a big farce because we just looked at the beginning of mathematics, which is still a higher form of mathematics than most people can do today when we look at the harmless factors. So the people who discovered that, we put that all down into the book of African descent. No reason why they shouldn't be proficient at that to this day, unless there's societal environmental factors. So here we go. You ready for some active responses? Number 1, math struggles affect a person's life by 1, accounting for income and work productivity. 2, determining suitability for high-demand STEM careers. 3, either 1 nor 2. Or 4, both 1 and 2. Let me give you a second to think about it. Give them time. Don't think too long. Study long, study long. And the answer is 4, both 1 and 2. So, math struggles affects a person's life by accounting for income and work productivity, as well as determining suitability for those high-demand STEM careers. So now that you know this, you can understand and start to explain to parents and to other learners why it's so important that they get those foundational math skills. So with that, we will take a short break and we will be right back.